Did you know that you can trade the biggest US stocks like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and more right from your phone without touching a US bank account? In this video, I'll show you how to use Tether USDT on Bybit to trade US stocks, why Tether USDT is a game changer, and different ways you can earn more USDT using the Bybit platform. So the first thing to do to get started is to create a Bybit account. If you don't have one already, use the link in the video description or the link in my bio to sign up for an account. Just follow the on-screen instruction, create your account, fund your account, and then you'll be able to follow the steps that I'm showing you to be able to buy and sell some of the biggest US stocks listed on the Bybit platform. So with that being said, let me walk you through on how to buy and sell stocks inside of the Bybit app. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your account. Once you log into your Bybit account, you go to this middle icon that says Trades. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, at the top, you will see that there are different menus right here. But our focus here is to stay on the spot option. So we can actually buy or invest in these US stocks and keep them for a while. And once the price goes up, we can sell it. All of this, you can do it inside of the Bybit platform, right? So once you're on the spot option, by default, mine is on BTC USDT. So you want to click on that. And once you click on that, you can see different categories down here. So we are currently on spot once again, be on spot. And we are on the USDT tab because we want to be buying and selling using USDT. So once you are there, you want to scroll to the option that says X stocks. Click on it, and this will sort out all of the biggest US stocks available on Bybit for you. So if I want to trade Apple, I can go ahead and click on that option. If it is Amazon, and it goes on until you get to Tesla. So any of these that you want to buy or you want to invest in, you go ahead and click on it. Let's say we want to buy Apple, so go ahead and click on Apple, and this will bring us to the buying interface or to the trade interface on Bybit. So right here, you see that we are on the buy option, and we can use limit or use market order to buy. Now, because we are on the limit option, we can specify the price at which we want to buy, and then we can use this slider right here to select the amount we want to invest. But right here, you'll see that my available balance is 0. So if you don't have the USDT you want to use to buy or invest in any of these biggest US stocks listed on Bybit, all you need to do is to click on the plus icon right here, and you'll be able to transfer your USDT from whatever wallet you have it into the Bybit Spot wallet, and from here you can buy. And once you buy, okay, once you place your order, you can see I have a lot of pending orders right here. You can then come to the sell option right here and then put in the amount. Let's say we bought at 228. We can decide to sell this when this actually increases to 500. So you can go ahead and type the amount right here, and then use this slider to select all of the tokens that you bought or all of the shares from Apple that you bought, and you go ahead and click on sell. So once the price gets to 500, automatically your order will be executed, and then that share that you bought from Apple will now be converted back to USDT. Right? This is just basic walkthrough on how to do this. And if I go to this option, if I click on the candle icon right here, you can equally see the chart, the candlestick chart right here that you can use to chart this market and see where to buy. Right? You can use this to chart either on the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, any of this time frame that you wish. I'll make an in-depth tutorial on how to do all of this because I don't want this to be too long. And after that, you go ahead and buy, and then you set limit order to sell whatever stocks that you buy using the Bybit app. Now that I just walked you step by step on how to invest or buy and sell US stocks using the Bybit platform, now let's talk about why USDT is the game changer. Gone are the days where you need a US bank account or where you need to be in the US or have a dollar account before you can actually invest in some of these popular stocks. With USDT, you can seamlessly, within minutes or within seconds, send money across the globe without going through the headache of converting from one currency to another. And Bybit is a global platform that is accepted everywhere. So even in Nigeria right here, you can actually now start investing or buying and selling shares from some of these popular or biggest US stocks. Right, so it makes it very easy. All you need is convert your Naira into USDT, and you can use USDT on your Bybit to trade both crypto, stocks, forex, all of these things all inside one platform. And I want to let you know that USDT is pegged to $1. So 1 USDT is equivalent to $1, meaning that the volatility in the crypto market doesn't affect it. So when we are buying, we buy with USDT, and when we want to secure our money, we sell back to USDT. And the best part is that you can trade all of these multiple markets like the stock market, the crypto market, forex market, indices, all using USDT, all inside the Bybit platform. So once again, if you don't have an account with Bybit, make sure that you sign up using the link in the video description, or check my bio for a link to sign up. By the way, you can join us on Telegram and take advantage of all of the free signals that we share there every day if you want to really trade on Bybit and make a lot of money for yourself. Now, with that said, how do you earn USDT on Bybit? What are other different ways you can earn USDT on Bybit? I just mentioned that you can actually start trading stocks on spot, meaning I can buy a share from Apple, from Tesla, from Amazon, and then wait for the price to go up and then sell using the spot market. Secondly, I can now start trading stocks, trading indices, trading forex, trading crypto, all inside of the Bybit platform. So these different ways of trading are different ways you can actually start earning a lot of USDT on the platform. Now, if you want to earn passively on the Bybit platform, if you go to the Earn tab and you click on Bybit Earn, you can see that these are some of the crypto projects that you can actually start investing. As you can see right here, with Tether USDT, you stand a chance to gain up to 20% per annum. You can see with Hype, you can get up to 30% per annum. You can see with Pot, these are different projects. That means if you're holding USDT or holding any of these crypto projects, you can actually start staking them and earn money on a passive mode. And there are a whole lot of other benefits that you can actually gain, or other products here on the Bybit end that you can participate in, like dual asset investment, like Bybit discount buy, and a whole lot of them. I've made an in-depth tutorial about these different products. All you just need, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and check out the playlist on Bybit to be able to follow up with all of these different Bybit products, and I bet you that you'll never regret it. So in this video, I just succeeded in showing you how to invest in some of the biggest US stocks like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and more using the Bybit app. And with just your USDT from the comfort of your home, you can now start buying that. And I just told you that with USDT, you can easily send money anywhere around the globe, and it is pegged to the dollar, meaning that the volatility in the market doesn't affect it. And through the Bybit end, you can earn passively. Aside trading, you can earn passively by either staking your USDT, that is your stable coin, or your crypto tokens, and earn percentage on a daily basis, though it is capped per annum, but your returns come to your wallet every day. So take advantage of this, and if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram, and the link to join us will be in the video description. There you have access to more educational content and then free signals that we share every day. That is it for this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.